Hi guys, so this is my end of the day report for March 11, 2026. And currently what I'm currently doing right now is I'm currently updating my portfolio so that right after my examination or my last exam, which will be take place on March 14, I'll be able to and start my application period through the online job PH. And also I'm literally editing to the max right now. I'm literally making it palong-palong, just like Clyde asked me to do it. And in terms of other aspect of my life, this week is somewhat smooth, something like that. Especially, it's still my exams, and also in terms of my grades, I'm very happy to announce that I probably passed most of my majors exam, which is really good. I even received a grade for my one of my majors, which I received a really high grade. So yeah, those are my end of the day report for this day. So that's all for my end of the day report, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Peace.